There's a saying, don't be a product of your environment. But yo, the truth is, I'm the epitome of that. My family, my wife, my friends, my boys, my brothers, my sisters, they're all products of their environment. Obviously, that can be good or bad. I feel like the saying should be, don't be influenced by the wrong product of your environment. Like, that makes a difference. I'm the product of blackness. Two hard-working parents who were immigrants, came from Jamaica. My pops, who is an essential worker, has to be tested for the coronavirus twice a week. Mom's haven't worked in months, paranoid. I told her, Mom, you gotta get out, you gotta go for a walk, stop watching the news so much, get some fresh air.
In the last 14 days?
No.
Feeling sick, fever, cold, flu?
No.
Been in contact with somebody who's tested positive for COVID-19?
No.
Thankfully, I was blessed to be raised with the right things instilled in me. But honestly, not everybody has that, you know. So many people in our community come from broken homes. Moms is not there, or pops is not there. So many different avenues. But I feel like the difference in how people can become better is the influence. My people are one of the hardest working people on the planet. So many people I know got 9-to-5s, and they leave their 9-to-5, their corporate job, and they're back on their grind with their 5 to 9, their side hustle, their businesses, working, grinding. Thank you. I think the biggest thing for me, and still being a part of the Bronx community, is how can I be more involved? I need to step up. I'm speaking on behalf of myself and other black men in the community around my age. Yo, we gotta step up. We have to move as a unit and not on no gang. Nah. We gotta protect our community. We gotta protect our children. We gotta protect our women, our black women, from this society that's fighting against us.
And we just wanted to stop the violence in our community. We wanted to give the youth another platform. So when that happened, we had young brothers who were incarcerated that came back out that wanted to help us during this fight.
You know, finding more men to be counselors and can give that guidance and counseling.
I want you to understand, my brothers and sisters, that we are not that far removed from being enslaved. Understand that. So when they say get over it, I say you get under it.
People are worried and stressed over the new norm, and honestly, the Bronx, we know how to make do with what we have through music, food. That's two things our community definitely loves, through the arts and through science. I'm already seeing parking lot parties, people chilling, so that ain't the real issue at hand. We have to figure out a way how to really, truly be unified. That's the only way we're gonna see some type of change. Because yo, the police brutality and all that, yo, that's still gonna happen, whether we like it or not. That's the hard truth. Sometimes people bad mind, and this is not the time for people to be bad mind. I'm grateful for where I grew up. It made me who I am today. It taught me some valuable lessons in life, along with my family. Not to take no for an answer. Always watch your back. More importantly, be your brother's keeper.
Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Juneteenth.
Yeah!
I said happy Juneteenth.
Yeah!
So I came here to add a little Latino flavor.
Yeah!
Because I'm sick and tired of Latinos fronting like we're not black.
Yeah! Bop, 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 yeah!